Alright, welcome back guys. So today we've got a few things that came in. The lug nuts came for the DC2 build. Got the same ones as the Type-R, but the Type-R is M14 by 1.5. These are M12 by 1.5. What I like about these lugs is that they come in their own little box. OG TE37 stickers to go on the SLs. I think they just look a lot better with the stickers. Lastly, we've got these. Check these out. Yokohama Advan 8009 A052 erasers. What's cool is they've got the actual tread pattern on them. And you know, I run both of these. I run the A052s on the TE37Vs, and I run the AD09 on the Volt 21A. Anyways, that's just a cool little thing. Alright, so what we're doing today is prepping the surface of the TE37SL for the OG stickers. Typically, the SL come with these stickers that you put on one spoke, but I really prefer the OG ones. Here, let's open them up. So it'll be something like that. So that's the reason I wanted the TE37V 10th anniversary editions. They've got the OG style sticker, but they're engraved. We're gonna use Geon Prep, wipe down this spoke and this spoke. Gonna use another towel to make sure it's 100% dry. Both of these stickers are 2 millimeters from this edge here. Let's see how it look with the lugs. All right, it's gonna look something like that. What do y'all think? I think it's gonna look pretty sick on the DC2. All right, here we go to get a good comparison of old school versus new school. OG stickers on the SL. OG engravings on the T37V. Here's another quick little comparison, stickers versus no stickers. Really prefer the stickers over none. Which do you guys prefer, stickers or engravings?